2 times 5 gives us 10. And here we have 5 times 2, which again gives us 10. And 10 divided by 10 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, right? So parentheses is priority number one. And then after we solve parentheses, we have to solve exponent and then multiplication or division, then finally addition or subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. But here is where most people get tricked. So they think multiplication comes before division. Therefore, multiplication has a higher priority than division, and multiplication should be solved first. But that attitude is wrong because multiplication or division both have three priority, right? They are priority number three, and we have to solve them left to right, right? So since they both have equal priority, if we encounter them in expression like this, we have to begin from left and we have to do the calculation all the way to the right in order, right? The order is going to be left to right. So continuously we are going to solve it that way. So here we have two multiplication and one division in the middle. So what we are going to do is we are going to solve the multiplication and then we are going to divide and then we are going to multiply once again going left to right. Okay, so here we have 2 times 5, which of course gives us 10, and the problem becomes 10 divided by 5 times 2. And now we don't do the multiplication, right? The division is the next order since we are going to solve the problem left to right. So we have to do the division now. So 10 divided by 5 gives us 2, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So the final answer to this question is 4.